I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you make delicious shrimp for pasta. First, let's talk about preparation. You'll want to select about 1 pound of shrimp, ideally peeled and deveined to save time. If using frozen shrimp, thaw it completely under cold water for about 15 minutes, then pat it very dry. This crucial step ensures a beautiful sear. Finally, season your shrimp simply with a half teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon of black pepper, and a dash of garlic powder. Now let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil or butter in a large skillet over medium-high heat until shimmering. Add your seasoned shrimp in a single layer, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Cook in batches if necessary. Sear the shrimp for just 1 to 2 minutes per side. You'll know they are done when they turn pink and opaque. Remember, shrimp cooks very quickly, so avoid overcooking to keep them tender. With your perfectly cooked shrimp set aside, it's time to build a fantastic sauce right in the same pan. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic and a quarter cup of dry white wine, like a Pinot Grigio. Deglaze the pan, scraping up all those flavorful brown bits, and let it simmer for about 2 minutes to reduce slightly. Then, stir in 1/2 cup of the starchy pasta water and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice for brightness. Almost there. Now, add your cooked pasta directly into the skillet with the sauce. Return your perfectly cooked shrimp to the pan and gently toss everything together, ensuring the pasta and shrimp are well coated. Finish with about 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped parsley or basil for a burst of color and freshness. Serve your delicious shrimp pasta immediately and enjoy this simple yet elegant meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.